how many CCS plants are there in global operation today, and how many are closed? I don't know if you can give us a ballpark figure on that. Quite interesting. Videos out there, cynical videos about CCS, of course. So it'd be interesting for you to give us a take on that.
So the number, I'm not exactly sure. I believe there's somewhere in the region of 50 million tons per year of installed CCS capacity, maybe closing in on 60 with recent plant startups. A lot of those are associated with older industries like natural gas processing. Some of them are part of a first wave of post-combustion capture development, like the famous ones you may have heard of at Boundary Dam in Canada, Petronova in the US. Broadly, most of the installed capacity remains operational. There have been some well-documented shortfalls in capacity and availability in some of those flagship projects. But I think it's important to remember they were first-of-a-kind deployments. They represented a huge degree of technical risk. That's part of the reason they needed the state support they received. And in return for that state support, there were expectations that they would share learnings, they would share experience, and that could be used to de-risk and reduce costs in the next wave of capture projects. And we're starting to see that now. So I don't see those first projects as failures. I see them as learning opportunities. They were also early movers. For example, that Boundary Dam plant in Canada has captured and stored around 6 million tons of CO2 in total. That's basically 6 million more tons than the whole of Europe has managed. So yes, there were problems, but the learning is part of the value of those early plants.